and welcome to C++ tutorial of how to use pointers. I'm going to start by clicking on create new, and let's select the console application, click on go, then next, make sure C++ is selected. I'm just going to call it pointers tutorial. Click on next and finish. There we go. Right inside the source file, drop it down and select the main. And right here I'm going to get rid of this hello world. There. Now the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to declare as follows, then I will then explain how the pointers work. I'm going to call that my account. So this is a data type, and their data type is double, and I'm going to enter that in my account. And let's assume my account is 0. Now I'm going to create another data type, another double, and this one let's assume is a joint account. There. And inside a joint account, let's assume you have approximately £3,000 and another data type, and this data type now is going to be, I'm going to add a pointer to it that will actually point to the location of account underscore pointer. Okay, account underscore pointer, I'm going to say equals the location underscore of my account. There. Okay, as you can see, I have declared two variables here, but in here I've actually used a pointer. Okay, so the pointer will point to the memory at a given address. Okay, and you see this star you're looking at, that is called indirect operator, or you can call it the referencing operator. All right, why here, this will actually point to memory at a new address. Okay, so let's come down here now. So what I would then say is I'm going to say the referencing or indirect operator. Okay, I'm going to ask it, let's say account pointer, this very one. Let's just grab hold of that. The account pointer is going to be approximately of, let's assume we have about 1,500 in there. And let's come down here and say account pointer, that is equals account pointer. Make sure you enter your pointer in there. Okay, indirect operator, let's assume that is minus 250 from that. There. I will now come down here using cout. Let's say balance in account is whatever. So balance in account is going to be account pointer, there should be the star there, or the indirect operator, or the referencing operator should be there. And here I'm going to say end line. Now let's say the account of pointer now, that is equals to my accounts. So what we've just done in here is point to memory at a new address. Okay, so enter that, and we now say account pointer itself and that is going to be equals account pointer minus the 250 that is right here. Okay, so which means that will be taken away from this. Now let's round it up. I'm just gonna grab all of this, paste that in here underneath there. Let's increase this so that you can see it. All right, bring that up a little bit. So if I run it now, let's check out what's going to happen. So let's make sure there's no error. Okay, come in here, build and run. Let's see, there we go. Look at that. Okay, it's just taking out 250 from here. Okay, close that. So as you can see, 250 is deducted from here, and here 150 is deducted plus 250 deducted. That's why we ended up with 1,200. So let's run it again. You see what I'm talking about. See that 1,250, and here we have 1,000. So supposing we increase the amount in here, check out what's going to happen. In fact, let's make it about 500. Build and run. There we go. Look at that. Okay, that is how the pointer works. Okay, I'm going to do one more time. Let's come in here and just make that about 2,000 and make this one 1,000, and this one will change it to about 100, and in here we change this to about 100 as well. There. And now click on run. There we go. We have 9 and 800. Okay, notice I did not change this when it was all 3,000, so I'm just going to undo it all and you see what I'm talking about. And here 3,000, and this one was 300. Okay, so if I change it now to 300 and 300 here, check out what's going to happen. Run. There we go. Look at that. And that is how you use your own pointer in C++. So with that, guys, I'm going to call it the end of this brief tutorial, and you all have a nice day now, and bye for now.